louder you all are, the better this is going to sound. So, this excursion around the bay, you can clap your hands, stamp your feet, it goes a little something like this. Well, it was on this Monday morning, and the day becoming fine for a Harbour Grace excursion with the boys who have the time. And just before the sailor took the gangway from the pier, I saw some fella haul me wife aboard as a volunteer. Oh me, oh my, I heard me old wife cry. Oh me, oh my, I think I'm gonna die. Oh me, oh my, I heard me old wife say, I wish I'd never taken this excursion around the bay. My wife, she got no better, she turned a sickly green. I fed her cake and candy, fed pork and kerosene. I tried every place in Harbour Grace, tried every store and shop to get her something for a cure and take her to the hop. Oh me, oh my, I heard me old wife cry. Oh me, oh my, I think I'm gonna die. Oh me, oh my, I heard me old wife say, I wish I'd never taken this excursion around the bay. She died below the Brandies as we were coming back. We buried her in the ocean, wrapped up in a Union Jack. So now I am a single man in search of a pretty face. And the woman that says she'll have me, I'm off for Harbour Grace. Oh me, oh my, I heard me old wife cry. Oh me, oh my, I think I'm gonna die. Oh me, oh my, I heard me old wife say, I wish I'd never taken this excursion around the bay. Hey! Oh, thank you, thank you. Well, you all have excellent taste in music, I can tell you that.